Second unit is gravity dam and arch dam. Arch dam. That first part is gravity dam. So I already seen in unit 1 gravity dam. The first classification based on the statistical design of the dam body. That was in the definition of dam. So gravity dam is a structure which is built, which is designed in a such a way that due to its own weight, it will resist the external forces. So due to its own weight, the dam may be constructed. It may be masonry structure or it may be concrete structure. So concrete having a huge mass, it will carry its own weight. Due to its own weight, it will resist the external forces, hydrostatic forces, which are coming due to flow of the river on upstream side. It will resist the external forces, hydrostatic forces, oblique pressure, horizontal forces, vertical forces. So due to its own weight, it will resist the external forces. That's what is called gravity dam. So some of the definition of gravity dam. The gravity dam is a structure which is designed in such a way that it will the external forces will be resisted by it due to its own weight. It will be rested over a harsh strata. Maybe RC structure, concrete structure, reinforcement concrete structure, maybe masonry structure. Due to its own weight, it will obstruct the water, the flow of the water. There is huge mass of the concrete, huge mass of the masonry. If the weight is higher, then it will store the water. Water is stored on the upstream side of the dam. By construction of this huge mass of the concrete, it will resist the external forces. So these structures are more durable structures. These are constructed for longer period. The life of the reservoir will be more because the material used for the construction is concrete. In this material used may be masonry, may be constructed with it may be constructed with masonry structures or concrete structures. In that, cement, sand, aggregate, steel. So these are the materials which are used in the construction. Therefore, the life of the structure may be higher. It requires little maintenance. So for other type of structures, other types of dams, they require more maintenance. For this type of dams, it will require less maintenance, and they are more durable. Life of the reservoir and life of the dam may be more. So nowadays, concrete gravity dams are preferred, other than earthen dam, buttress dam, arch dam, composite dams. So it is more beneficial than the other types of dams. So concrete gravity dam is more beneficial because it is most durable, solid, and it requires less maintenance. You can see the cross section of this gravity dam. This is a gravity dam. The maximum water level is shown. This is a top level, top bund level. The highest water level, maximum water level is shown. The freeboard is 4 meter from the top bund level. Width at the top is 6 meter. And on downstream side, downstream face is 9 meter. The slope of this downstream face is 2:3. The total depth is from this below this 9 meter, it is 25 meter. This is toe of this gravity dam. Bottom width is 56 meter. This is hill of this gravity dam. Drainage gallery is provided in the dam structure. The slanting face, vertical face. Upstream face may be vertical or slanting. This face may be exactly vertical, or it may be slanting edge. Slanting edge is provided at the bottommost side. This is a cross section of the gravity dam. So this can be constructed, this type of dam can be constructed on any dam site. So any location, any desired location. So this gravity dams are constructed where there exists a natural foundation is strong enough to bear the load weight of the dam. At that location, these gravity dams are constructed. So this type of dam is generally straight in plan. Plan म्हणजे कसं आहे? Straight. Although sometimes may be slightly curve असेल, but generally it is straight in plan. So the line of upstream face of the dam, or the line of crown of the dam, if the upstream face is in sloping, is taken as reference line or layout purpose for layout purposes. The reference line is considered the line of the crown of the dam, or line of upstream face of the dam, that is considered for layout of the dam. The reference line is considered the upstream face of the dam. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Baseline of the dam, or it is called axis of the dam. Axis of dam कुठे येईल? या upstream face ला, या vertical face ला. That is called axis of the dam, or it is called baseline of the dam. From that baseline, the layout is taken. For layout purpose, this baseline is considered. Upstream face line is considered as a baseline. The top view मध्ये बघितलं तर ते कसं असेल? स्ट्रेट लाईन. त्याला काय म्हणायचं? Baseline of the dam or axis of the dam. So this type of dams are constructed up to greater heights. These gravity dams, because they are durable, less maintenance is required. Height of the dam may be increased. For greater height, these dams may be constructed. In first sheet, we have seen the table of the dam, the height of the dam. In that height of the dam and length of the dam was shown. That is, in that we have seen different heights of the dam and different length. According to the height of the dam, the dam construction is done. For earthen dam having less height, earthen dam, rockfill dams which are constructed for low height. For large heights, these gravity dams are constructed. In this, the highest gravity dam in the world is Grand Dixence Dam in Switzerland, which is having height 284 meters. All over the world, highest gravity dam कुठला आहे? जी height जास्त आहे, which is located in Switzerland. The name of the dam is Grand Dixence Dam, which is located in Switzerland, having height 284 meters. This is the highest gravity dam. त्याच्यानंतर कुठला येत आहे? In India, Bakra Dam is there, which is having height 226 meters. Second number कुठला आहे? Bakra Dam, Bakra Nangal Dam, which is located in Himachal Pradesh. along Satluj River, Bakra Dam. Both these type of dams are made up of concrete. Therefore, the name given to this dam is concrete gravity dam. Highest dam कुठला आहे? Highest gravity dam in the world is Grand Dixence Dam, which is located in Switzerland, having 284 meters. And second number is Bakra Dam, which is located in Himachal Pradesh across Satluj River, which is having height 226 meters. The type of dam is concrete gravity dam. And the ratio of the base width to height of the dam, that is less than 1:1. The ratio is 1:1. Base width to height of the dam is less than 1:1 ratio. Gravity dam साठी प्रिपेअर केला जातो. Less than 1:1. Base width to height ratio, width to height ratio is less than 1:1. The upstream face may be kept throughout vertical or partly slanting for some of its length, that is shown in the figure. या इमेज में दाखवले पहा. वरचं जे फेस आहे ते एक्स्ट्रीमली वर्टिकल आहे. आफ्टर द at the bottom it is slanting edge, slanting face दाखवलं आहे. This line is inclined, slanting face. Sometimes it may be vertical as per the design. As per the design of this gravity dam, some gravity dams may be kept, the upstream face may be kept vertical. Some dams may be designed having the upstream face slightly, it may be having incline at the bottom of the dam. Slanting face is दाखवलं आहे. This is incline. इथून vertical आहे, परत इथे incline केलेलं आहे. Depending upon the design of the dam, this structure is decided. So in this dam structure, drainage gallery is provided. So this drainage gallery, drainage gallery, what is provided to relieve the uplift pressure exerted by the seeping water. जे सीप झालेलं water आहे, due to seepage water, the upstream uplift pressure may be exerted at the base of the dam structure. So to relieve that pressure, the drainage gallery is provided. म्हणजे ते uplift pressure reduce करण्यासाठी त्यासाठी एक ड्रेनेज गॅलरी प्रोव्हाइड केलेली. समजला? ग्रेव्हिटी डॅम its definition. Any difficulty? समजलं इथपर्यंत? So gravity dam is a structure which is designed in a such way that it bears the own weight to resist the external forces. That is gravity dam. This is a cross section of the gravity dam. Its various dimensions are shown. At the top it is 6 meters, freeboard is 4 meters. This is maximum water level. This is upstream face. This is downstream. This is hill of the gravity dam. This is top of the gravity dam. Bottom width is 56 meters. Total height is 25 meters plus 9 meters. The total height किती झाले? 25 plus 9 is 84 meters. This is a slope on downstream face 2:3. This is slope. Okay. So different forces acting on the gravity dam, that are water pressure, uplift pressure, pressure due to earthquake forces, field pressure, wave pressure, ice pressure, and the stabilizing force, the weight of the dam itself. There are the various types of forces acting on the dam structure that we will see in next lecture.